Hello, the internet. Welcome to another Demo Boys tips, tricks, and tutorials. And today I want to talk about my screw up. The situation is this: we're doing demoing two bathrooms above this bathroom. I'm in the basement, and they were once upon a time all fed by a 1-inch tankless valve system. Well, so here's the situation: I disconnected the third cold, the 1-inch line, not realizing that it fed this toilet. So as I'm getting ready to leave, I'm noticing that the homeowner has no toilets. So here's how we fix it: we're going to take a garden hose. We're going to hook it to the laundry tub temporarily. We're going to put on this guy, dishwasher elbow, and we're going to temporarily connect the toilet. Check it out. The hose is connected in the other room. We put on the old dishwasher elbow. Then we will take this guy off. We'll connect it to this guy right here, like so. And then I'm gonna go turn on the water. And there you have it. She's filling for now, until we can open up the wall, replumb the line, and back in business.